PracticeQ gives you options for protecting your patient's security as they visit the patient portal. Admin users can see items related to patient security from the Security Policy tab. Here you will determine how complex passwords to the patient portal need to be. A password blacklist is also included, which prevents patients from registering any of the passwords commonly used in dictionary attacks. The selection you make here also applies to staff passwords for PracticeQ. You can determine how long a patient session can be left inactive before the portal logs it out. You can also require that two-factor authentication be used on all portal accounts. Check this box, and patients will register their mobile numbers for use as a second form of identity verification when accessing the portal.